Hello there and welcome back to How to Cook Great. You may be wondering why I'm speaking like this today. Well, my daughter Moya says, Daddy, you have a terrible accent. Your accent's not good. Your London accent's not good. You need to speak a little bit more like me. So today I'll be speaking slightly more like my daughter and my son. Here we are. Aloo gobi in coconut milk, or potato and cauliflower in a beautifully spiced coconut milk sauce. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's get on with this one. So let's embark on this wonderful dish. Here we have potatoes and cauliflower, roughly the same amounts. One onion, cilantro or coriander, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh chili to taste. I've got about 4 there. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and I always call this one the big 4. Teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. We will also be using 400 ml of coconut milk. So first things first, in my pan I have some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, and I will drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. These will infuse the oil. Do not skip this stage. Next, I will be dropping in my potatoes. And we are on an above medium heat, and we will continue for around 4 to 5 minutes. So now we will proceed by putting in our onion. I'm using a red onion, finely chopped. Now it's time for the garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger is a 50-50 mix of minced garlic and ginger. I will now add some salt to taste, and I will continue on this vibrant heat for a further 3 minutes. It's time now to add our cauliflower, and I have these in quite large florets. Very simply, continue mixing the pan for another 3 minutes. Delightful. I'll now be adding my fresh chili and my powders. Let's take one more look. 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, chili powder and coriander. You could of course be adding a curry powder of your choice. Now very simply, 400 ml or 3/4 of a pint of coconut milk with an added splash or 2 of aqua The heat is now on low, not a simmer, just above a simmer. And we will let this go now for 7 to 8 minutes. What we're looking for is for our potatoes to be beautifully tender. Okay, so off goes the heat. Those potatoes are beautifully tender. Some cilantro or coriander. I'm also going to add a nice large pinch of garam masala powder, a beautiful finishing spice. One more stir, and I shall see you at the table. A delightful cauliflower, potato, and coconut milk, or Aloo Gobi. Marvelous. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Bloody hell, that was hard work, that was. I can't keep that up. See you later. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.